All right, coach. Not the result you want today. What do you think your team went wrong in this game?
We went wrong in especially up top when the forward that we're looking up to not doing what he's supposed to do. Anyway, I'm applying himself to the game himself. I work hard for the team. We're gonna probably get more out of the game.
Going to penalties, where do you think the team lapsed in concentration where the penalty is concerned? Do you think the players could manage the pressure?
Well, let's say we practice. We even come down here and practice. We practice before we reach champion. We practice. But the thing about it is a complacency. Everybody else we say, yeah, it's like an overtake. No, an overtake, you have to make it happen. And I think that's what I feel today. We never try to make it happen.
So what next for Dinthill now?
What next? Next season.
Next season. What early preparations are put in place already?
I think you asked that question. I can't answer right now. I won't answer that right now.
All right, coach.
All right.
All right, well done, yeah?
Yeah, man.